Yo, what's good with you guys? Today we got a little giveaway going on, right? So stay active in the chat. Let me know who's in here. We got a bunch of likes up front. Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, who's in here? Who's in here? I see Aliko, Kakatera, left some dubs. Appreciate that, brother. We're 7 likes and we just started. Oh my god. Yo, Wick. Yo, Mohammed. What's up? What's up? I'm good. What about you guys, man? Alright, let's see if it's a good day. Let's see if it's a good day. I mean, someone's gonna win an account, so it will be a good day for them. But from what I'm seeing in the charts, there might be a setup. There might be a setup. Everything is good. Awesome, awesome. What are you guys seeing for today? What pairs are you guys watching? I'm possibly seeing some EU, GU shorts. Not expecting them right now, cause I think price will be slow. They could, but price tends to be slow. So maybe only London close and futures. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go up, but in case we go down, then there will be some nice buys. So that's what I'm seeing at the moment. What about you guys? This YM, for example, just has this 3 touches equal high. It will just like break through that easy. Same. All right. Awesome. Anyone watching any different pairs like gold, silver, fucking oil? What's oil doing these days? Oh, we just had a sweep of some equal highs here, or not. This bugging or nah? It was a bit more above. Yeah, oil is crazy. Let's see what happened. I thought you had a flight or something. Nah, not yet. Not yet. The streams are, like I said, for the whole month of September. And I think Wednesday is the first, right? So I'll do Wednesday as well. But then Thursday I gotta catch a flight. Yo, GMS, good morning. We're 6 people in here. I'll do the giveaway later on, and we'll do it like random. We'll simulate something to the people that's most active and deserve to win the most. But I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know where I'm going. Like after this, the place that I'm going to, the country. But I'm making a stop. I'm making a stop somewhere for a few days. If anyone can guess that country, they'll get the account straight ahead. Straight up. If anyone can guess the country which I'm going to. Not to live, just a few days vacation. India. Bruh, that's the worst guess, man. That's the worst guess ever. Greece, Bali, nah. It's a hard one. I haven't mentioned it still. Good try, go. Good try. Better than the India one. Crazy, man. Crazy. You guys got no more countries to guess? I'm going back to Asia, but in the meantime, I'll stop by some days in a country. Dubai, good guess, good guess. It's in the middle of the way. It's between my location, but it's not Dubai. Guessing is hard. Fuck you mean it's hard? It's just naming countries. It is hard to guess the exact country. It's not Dubai, but good choice. Good try. All I'm gonna say is that someone was geographically close. Motherfucker likes make other people guess this shit. Man, that's the only shit I can do, man. I would love to get some things for merit, like to guess something, but like nowadays you can just type it online, AI, ChatGPT, and you'll fucking answer it. Saudi, nah. Hey, it's best though. It's best. I think it's better than like doing some simulation shit. I don't know. Maybe it depends on you guys. Just because these type of questions you can't ask ChatGPT what like to guess where I'm going next. All right, what are we seeing here? Maldives? Nah, brother, you far, man. You far. Mm, 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 mm. But yeah, people, what are you guys looking at? I'm expecting some shorts probably on EUGU, and not sure if there will be anytime soon because these pairs are quite slow. So maybe in a bit, maybe in 2 hours or so, and then futures. High chance is going to go up, but in case it goes down, we may take advantage of the buys. But what about you guys? Are you seeing the same thing? Do you think future is gonna go up, and even you will go a bit more up, and then there will be some shorting opportunity? What you guys feel about that? Yeah, this one would have gone to shit. I mean, not even sure if there will be an entry here. I didn't take it. Did you take the loss here week on Friday on Australian dollar? If you want to continue with the shorts, there might be a position here looking decent. Efficiency, Asia above, nice sweep of it, and then some shorts. Could be a decent one. But yeah, what I'm seeing on EGU is exactly this. For futures, if we drop down, go to the efficiencies, and EUGU, pretty much the same thing, just sweep of the inducement, and continue the overall bearish move because the dollar has maybe reversed to being bullish for quite a few times now. So let's see. I can see it drop down a bit more. This is perfectly confluent to what we're seeing in EU and GU. A nice sweep of this to the downside. I would have made the same sweep up, the other inducement on EUGU. If you guys are following me, right? Took a loss on Friday on EU, yeah. I think no, I think there was a student of mine taking a loss on shorts as well, and I think it was similar to that AU structure. I'm not sure, but uh, yeah, it's like it didn't even made like no breaker structure, nothing. I think here on EU, if we like drag this previous structure, that would be efficiency, and then line and close you would respect, you would expect a retracement, but there wasn't even like no breaker structure, no nothing. I think he refined it too much and got himself a loss. So I don't know if that's what happened to you on AUD as well, because we have like the wicks being broken, but then like no exact structure being taken. I think it was Yasin on GU, right? Maybe I can't recall. Maybe GU, yeah, maybe this or something. Pull it up right now. Yeah. It was something like this, I think, that he took. Yeah, double sweep following that, and then London close. Yeah, bit of a risky one, but still can be valid because it could work. It could very much work. I could see that happen. Right now, everyone that's not zooming out, they seeing a sweep of London. They may be shorting in here, but because we know how to zoom out a little bit, you can see that the liquidity is right here, and it's just from previous week as well. But yeah, what about you guys? Wick is saying the same thing as me. What about you, GMS? And you, Mohammed? And you, Aliko, Tumay? What's up with you guys? Anyone that hasn't typed in the chat yet, make sure you do. Easy way to win a 50k account. Got 5 people in the chat. You got 8 likes. That's fucking awesome. 1 minute to futures market to open. Okay, we're getting that sweep. That's good. That's good. Just waiting on you and GU to present some. Okay. You seeing the same thing as me? Them, both of them going slightly up to then short. Okay. I'm liking the look of future so far. Just needed to drop a bit more. We can have just the sweep of this London action or so, and then go up. But yeah, I would prefer the efficiency. Some more better quality, or I would hate to do this, but YM YM is looking like the cleanest, bruh. But it's also the most risky, because YM can come to this efficiency right here, and then bruh, the liquidity is just up there, you know. EG this morning, wicked you out. Oh, we'll have a look at it, man. Let me see, cause 5 more minutes and I might have a entry here. Yeah, damn. Alright, with this drop, I don't know. I don't know about the risk to reward with that drop. You know, but let it marinate. Let it marinate, you know. Give it time for price to develop. These two can also reverse from here, just off of London session. But it would be better if we swept a bit lower. Yes, exactly. Good one. What about the rest of you guys? Everyone seeing something different? Any different pairs? Any gold traders out there? If you want me to have a look at your pair. You think it will go deeper? You're also in sell. Okay. Uh, Obviously there's better zones than this one that I marked. You can come to this level. Yeah, I think to this level should be enough. Should be enough. You're selling, but it's risky. It's risky because there's a major equal high just above. So yeah, we gap down on the opening, which is good, which is perfect for me, because I want to take advantage of the longs. But yeah, just waiting on the zone. Yo, future, what's up? What's up? What you watching today? Has anyone already took some trades? I think Aliko, yeah, he got stopped out on EGA. EG, sorry. You said you got wicked out. You had your eye, or you had your trade in? I think there's not much in here apart from maybe you took it right here after the sweep of this and you tried to buy, but the first sweep is always a trap. That's the thing. Maybe you saw the previous daily low getting swept right here. I know these lines are not straight, and then you tried to long it, got stopped out, and then this is the good position right here. Just off this M5 structure, M5 time frame, it looks good. It would have looked good for my strategy. Maybe a break even because then New York comes back, but it would have maybe looked like this. Yeah, 4.8. Yeah, already a TP if I didn't put myself break even in this. So yeah, and then same situation got me trying to scalp GU earlier. Just half a pip tagged me out. Okay, what did you try to do on GU? Was it a little short in here after the Asia sweep? You said just half a pip, so I'm thinking it was this, the highest point in London. Maybe. Let me know, man. I could give you some feedback on it. Yes, are Asia or yes in Asia or some? You boys in Australian dollar might have a position today though. Let me know if you're about to take this a week, if it happens. Your internet's tweaking? Oh, okay. Let me know if it's you or if it's me. Asia lows TP hit. Ooh, nice. Okay, good. This is good. Because the further it goes, the deeper it goes, the more room we have to take advantage of for the longs. After Asia in that area. Oh, okay, yeah. I see. Yeah, but the thing is, if you can't handle it, like trying to scalp and all that, just better to stay out, man. Just better to stay out. Just do what you know. Have one setup and that's it. I had my trade, I'd say, happened like you said, but I was slightly higher time frame. Yeah, but kind of same thing. Maybe because you saw the previously low being swept, and then maybe you place yourself on the reaction. Yeah, if you boys haven't, go check my newest psychology video. Well, my newest video overall, a long format, an hour-long psychology lesson, psychology course, I should say. Yeah, you boys are trying to prank me. Or I don't know. 50, 50 seconds behind you. Nah. Let me see. Nah. My stream is good, man. If you trying to troll me, man, shut the fuck up. Nah, there's like 5 seconds of difference now. But yo, this is looking good on YM. This is looking good. This is looking good. Anyone more trades? Anyone else trades YM? Like me and GMS, crazy ass pair. They done. I'm just chilling with the guys now. Sheesh. Hey, you see that? That's just beautiful, man. That's just beautiful. Like the market has been open for 7 minutes. GMS got himself a win. Boom, done for the day, man. Props to you, man. Props to you. You combine that with living in somewhere nice. You just trade or whatever, depends on the time zone, of course. But you trade and you go do something. You hit the beach or you go to the club. Depends. If you're in Asia, it's already night. So, hey. But yeah, waiting on this on YM. Can be decent. Can be decent. But it's YM though. It's really. Oh my god. NQ is already bouncing back. Yes. It's not yet. Man, I want to take advantage of this. Because I can see it go. I can really see it go. But because of YM, I'll maybe try out this funded. Much like 350. Maybe. Work on my skills. So always learning, trying to get better. Of course. Hey, you seem to be doing well, man. So that's good, man. Just continue to do what you know. Okay. Australian dollar is going quick. I was asking you, Wick, if you're gonna take Australian dollar, the shorts, if they happen. If you get a sweep of Asia high. Okay. That shit. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks good. What's the symbol for? Should be like 6A, right? Yeah. How's it looking? Yeah. Okay. Okay, YM has done the sweep of this structure. Right now it's all a matter of watching the bounce back. And Q is already kind of doing it. Yes, don't really fuck with the zone. Maybe after the sweep of this, but too internal for me either way. YM has the best zone, has the best target, but is also the most riskiest pair. I don't know if anyone trades it as well besides GMS. Buys do look like they will set up on US 30 after clean. Yeah, it has already done it in a way, but I don't really see much entry structure besides this M1. It's not even a structure. So maybe let price go a bit down more. Yeah, let itself set up. Maybe come to this imbalance. Who knows? Take this inducement as well. And let's see. Maybe wait for some candle closure on this bitch. Yeah, it's dropping. EU is quite close to it as well, but yeah. Okay, yeah, looking at YM, man. Don't forget to stay active in the chat, man. We're giving away an account right now. I mean, not right now, but today. You gotta wait. You gotta be active on stream. Figure out when the giveaway is gonna happen. Probably the easiest giveaway of your life. Yeah, NQ already doing it, but no really significant liquidity sweep, no structure in here, no fucking distance to target, nothing. You're in buy in Nikki 22 from Asia session run is still going on. Okay, we'll have a look at that. Did I mistype it or? Where's this motherfucker? Oh yeah, my indicator is fucked here. I was about to say. Yeah, that looks good. I mean, until the highs for sure. It's still like Asia, yeah. Yeah. Oh, even for the gap, yeah. It can really go up. So that's good, man. That's good. What's up, Tanbu? Nice to see new people in here. We got 9 likes. Keep it up, guys. I'm gonna drop the giveaway at 15. How does that sound? Yeah, I'm targeting the gap. Good one, man. Good one. Let me watch YM. Let me watch this YM shit. Gonna wait for a closure here to not get fucked. This is a risky pair. Okay, NQ has already swept it. Got some distance until the highs. Can continue to go up, and will probably do so. I don't really like yes. Otherwise, I would be taking it as well. Like, can easily just go above. Okay, you zoom out. You see this? Probably gonna go higher, right? If it goes even deeper, then even better. Okay, if we stay locked in, it's fucking trading, but school messed me up, bruh. I mean, is that some excuses that I'm hearing, brother? Anyone watching DAX 40? I mean, how many pairs do you trade, bro? Don't focus yourself on many. You're bullish on use 30? Me too, brother. Me too. Waiting on that, waiting on that. So right now, if you get one more sweep to the downside and then like a nice closure above this entry that I'm seeing, yeah, yeah, could be good, could be good. Oh shit. I mean, the XY is not tradable though. I hope you mean as a confluence that you see. But yeah, gold and silver. Yeah. I mean, silver is like gold but on steroids. Silver is crazy. Shh. Man, these guys, man. Yeah, you're the second one, Luke. You're the second one, but good one. We also got GMS. They got a TP on off cells. Right now, potentially look to long the in the here. Uh, you trade UJ, Nikkei in Asia, and US 30. Okay, that's good. That's good. Been attending your group calls on Discord. Too busy. Uh, who are you though? Cause from the name, I don't see who you are. If you can remind me of your Discord name. No FOMO for you here. Yours is loading. Yeah, of course, man. Of course. Yeah. Waiting on the setup. EG, GU, Gold, DAX. I'm only able to match and it's 4 at a time. I mean, yeah, four. It's like a limit. But EU, GU, it's the same. Gold, then DAX 40. Yeah. But it depends if you're the profitable or not. Oh, you're mile. Okay, okay, okay. Nah, I know. You're also from the Philippines. That you're giving some excuse the other time about school as well. Silver is nuts. It is. It is. It is. Nah, I remember who you are. You also got a dog profile pic on Discord, correct? The man queue is running. Yes, not quite. And the UGU still slow, but they'll probably give you that setup. That was crazy. I took short of yes. Does anyone else take pictures here? Yes, was cleaner. Okay, okay. I can see it reverse from here. Uh, I can also see it go super down into until like the 4600 levels, but nah, just off of the liquidity that's set up here. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. It's YM. It's crazy. You can't just leave these three equal highs alone and just come to them later. Still in the trench, not profitable yet. So focus yourself on mastering one of those pairs, instead of trading all of them. Okay, okay, interesting. I mean, yeah. Let's see. If it doesn't reverse now, it's probably short. It's probably short. Yeah, Aliko. Take the advice. Also looks at G, so because then like maybe you don't even know the data. Maybe one of maybe you're already profitable, but trading one of those pairs, it's like eating your PNL. If I'd have to guess, it's probably silver. Nah, but look, silver is the type of pair that could give you either the best, winning streaks, but it could also give you the worst losing streaks. You get both worlds. Yeah, man, definitely narrow down your watch list. You got 11 likes, boys. Appreciate y'all for that. It's also maximum for good and for me. I'm profitable on gold. But really, that's moving. Better. One pair is all you need to throw probably. Exactly. Then yeah, once you figure out one trade, you mastered it, you know how to trade, you can probably adapt the strategy to other markets. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, the AUD is looking solid. But these others. Man. NQ would have been clean if it dropped a bit lower. For me. Risking 100, 5 pairs, or risking 501 high quality pair. You're trillion. 96. What, 45.96? Or 396? Okay. Okay. Yeah, not much. Depends on the timing of the day. If I'll trade it or not. But let's see what it does from here. I'll wait for it to change, like break structure here. Then I'll see. We got a sweep on EU as well, it seems. So if you can do a resweep, EU looks good. I mean, I'm not sure, but because there's just the liquidity above. Like, yes, we did a double sweep or something in following Asia in London, but if you zoom out, yeah, we sweep the high from Thursday, but there's still this inducement that you can see on the hourly, maybe. Yeah, so there's still this, but as you're saying, like a resweep of it would most probably be towards this liquidity. Just pay attention if it doesn't make like equal highs or something. And also no news Monday could be, yeah. Nah, it's the same concept for Forex as well. No news Monday tends to be slow. But I mean, we did get some push here. Same with the XY. Yeah, so it's exactly like you're saying. The zones are looking decent, but the fact of being no news Monday can be bad, even if setup appears. 10Q is going. And this, oh, let's see. Fuck off. Mm-hmm. I'm not in this, guys. At least not yet. Still trying to see if the Dow Jones wants to reverse from here or not. And okay, we got 11 people watching. Boys, once we get to 15 likes, I'll do the giveaway. Make sure you stay active in the chat, because otherwise you can't win it. Right? I can't say you've won if I don't even see your name. So yeah, Forex is looking decent. As far as zones, just a patience game. Still need to wait to see some sweeps to the upside, which will mean a sweep to the downside on the XY. EU, GU, if you trade Australian dollar, still looks good as well. Also looks good, I should say, for shorts. In about an hour, I would say. An hour, 2 hours, here, have an eye on it if you do trade Forex. And as far as futures, just waiting for it to give a reversal in here if it happens. The Dow looks like it's about to do it. Let's just see if we get a candle closure above. Just because this shit is more risky. So 1 minute to do it. Let's see. You said there's double liquidity in EU. Is it risky because it might target the higher one? Yeah. If I'm understanding what you mean, if you're talking about these two on the hourly, yes. Just because if it takes this one, it most likely take this one as well. You know, because they're basically both inducements. You know, they haven't taken any liquidity. But on the H4, there's only this one. But on H1, there's also this one. But it's like Wick was saying. Even we just swept this once. So the fact of waiting for a resweep to the upside will probably sweep the liquidity I'm seeing as well. And then it will be London close. I don't need to necessarily wait for a trap. And then the shorts is good for everyone. You know? And good just means valid. Doesn't necessarily mean a win. So yeah. I would be cautious here, because as soon as it changes the character here, it would be the first breaker structure, and the first breaker structure is usually a trap. Can work. But then I'm expecting this, and then I can take the shorts. That's the better setup for me. And Dow Jones still deciding. Hasn't done the candle closure to the upside. Let's see it on M5 now. If it does so. The liquidity target on YM looks very good. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but if you zoom out a bit, there's like this triple equal high above here. It's all a matter of seeing if it wants to reverse from here or continue to head lower. I don't know. We got 12 people watching. Let me know what you're seeing, guys. Let me know what you're seeing at the moment, or if you're trading anything, or if you already traded it. 15 likes, we do the giveaway. So make sure you leave a like, and also comment the stream so I can see who you are to give you the account. Boom. Okay, looks like we're seeing this. Okay, we got another like. 15, then we do the giveaway, guys. Make sure you also comment if you haven't on the chat. The guys that stay the most active have the highest chance of winning. So just say anything really. Just say what pairs are you seeing, or ask a question, or do whatever. Yo, Francisco. What's up? What's up? If you want to win an account, just leave a like. And yeah, let me know what you're seeing as well. What you're seeing today. What you're trading. What have you traded? And yeah, boys. We're gonna do I like before? Okay, awesome. Thank you. We're gonna do like a random simulator on the person that will win the account. But if you guys manage to guess the country which I'm going to for a few days, then you win it straight up. I'm still wondering where you're staying for a few days. Yeah. You either gotta guess it or wait for it to happen. What the fuck? How did you came about Turkey though? I'm waiting on your seat short. That's good. Hey, what's got your mind on Turkey though? Nah, it isn't Qatar. It's a crazy guess though. Yeah, good thing we waited on the candle closure on this. I mean, I don't think I would be. You said it's near to the ones we said. Okay, and which one? Which one did you did make you think that way? That's crazy. All right, I'm gonna go up because you can't see me. Okay, guys. I guess someone won it. I don't know how. You guys didn't even do that many guesses, but yeah. Yeah, he was it. My guy is smart. My guy is smart. So yeah, man, send me a DM on Discord right now or later. Of course, you're smart, man. You on my channel. Everyone that's in here is smart. Yeah, send me a screenshot on how I can see like that you are. So yeah, guys, we was about to simulate this giveaway and give the account to the lucky winner, but hey, I guess that's someone that's participating, that's being active, that's like that guessed the account. They guessed the account. They guessed the place I'm going to. Crazy. It's supposed to be low key, and no one guessed it, but yeah, my man Mohammed Kamal is smart. My trading buddy, he's he's around your area of the globe. He was in Bali for a long time. Right now he's in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm about to join him like in a week. Wait, it was Greece? Mention it. No, brother. You're being slow, man. You said Greece, and when you said Greece, and other countries was mentioning as well, was mentioned as well. I said it was geographically close to some country that was mentioned. So Turkey is close to Greece. So yeah, Thomas about to join him soon. Do you follow his channel? You should, man. India. What you mean India? And yeah, is there any Turkish people in here? I actually have some Turkish subs. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. This candle goes. But yeah, leave a like. Wick, shut the fuck up. What you want today, man? You're that boring. You want to play or what? Yes, it's finally going up, which means YM. Let's see how this closes. I was thinking of studying in Turkey, but cancelled after knowing what. Yeah, you're bored because you trade forex. After knowing me in trading. Okay, okay, okay. You was like, fuck the studies. I mean, that's good. That's good. Yeah, this isn't the best kind of closure, right? Yeah, even RM15, not the best. Boom. Exactly. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you guys go see my latest video on psychology, literally an hour-long psychology course on what really made me profitable, I literally tell on how I kind of regret going to school because I could have used that time more efficiently and even just work a minimum paying job just to fund my trading early on and make it even sooner. Fuck, so this teacher teaching us stuff about real world when she's stuck on matrix. Yeah. In a sense, that's facts. You have a lot of people teaching you business and all that, but they don't own a business. For example. But yeah, when you think about it, you have a 60-year-old teacher that's teaching you something that he learned himself from his 60-year-old teacher at the time. So it's just stuff that isn't updated anymore. What was your major during college? I did accountancy, man. Any accountants out there? What about the rest of you guys? I know most of y'all want to become traders, but if you're in school or if you were, what did you study for? What's your advice to the young generations? Should they start early even if they don't want to, or they just start a little bit late and wait till they're ready to start? Start on what, man? Because uh, you can always start. Like the early you fail, the better, because you're gonna fail regardless. If you're not if you're not willing to fail or prepared to do it, like just stay a normal person, you know, because failure is inevitable. As a kid, I wanted to be an assassin. Yeah, yeah. You spend a bit of your time in Assassin's Creed, right? My advice to anyone: don't get near accountant shit. Yeah, you did accountancy as well. John Wick. True, true, true. Nah, man. But even in trading, right? Uh, Sometimes there's people that tell me like, "Oh, I'm not 18 years old yet, so I can't really trade in the real markets." So so yeah, I'm waiting on to be 18, and I'm like, "Bro, you're not gonna make it in your first year. So just start learning. You know, just start paper trading, demo trading. Just start like backtesting, because it's gonna take you years to learn this skill. Either way." So if you're younger, so if you're like still a minor, then you just got the absolute advantage of not even just be like of an adult age to just to be able to spend money in trading, you know, to trade, to legally trade, so you can just prepare yourself whilst not spending the money, and then once you're able to spend money, you can do it. No, my screen isn't frozen. Is the chart is just at the same place, I believe. Like, let me know. There's a timer. Yeah, the timer is still working, bro. Um. Oh, so you got your name from John Wick? That's the inspiration behind it. I fell out an outcast a bit, studied environment sciences, but trust me, guys, it's better to fail early than wait for the perfect time. No perfect time exists. Just go for it. Exactly, exactly. The what is it? The best time to do it was yesterday. The second best time is now. But yeah, where are you from, Aliko? And the movie studios. What's up? Nice to see you. Make sure you guys drop a like, right? Let me know if you want more giveaways. What's up, limitless lifestyle? I'm turning 18 soon, can you give me some tips on how to bag foreign girls? I mean, to bag foreign girls. I mean, you're already Filipino, right? You ain't got much advantage on that. Cause say like you are European, for example, you could just turn up to Philippines and like be at an advantage, you know. Ask that to Thomas. Thomas has been on his shit though. Malawi, okay, okay. Crazy to have people from that side of the world. Best question so far, yeah, man. Yeah, man. But like, I mean, you can get experience with girls before 18, but if it's with foreign girls, I guess, I guess you can be asking that. But either way, just focus on your shit first. Most guys try to focus on girls instead of focusing on themselves, and then like once you've got yourself like properly established, properly successful, then the girls you'll attract the girls. Why do you want to back foreign girls in the first place, brother? Maybe doesn't like Filipino women, or maybe they just too many hoes on his country, I guess. Cause you were talking bad about them, right? One time, you're saying all they want is money or some shit. But let's put the girls aside and looking on trading. Yeah, yeah. Get jacked and rich. They come running. Trust me. I mean, yeah, that's true. Lock in and the girls will come for sure. Hey, we got another like. Appreciate you for that, whoever that was. Just get rich, lol. Yeah, exactly, exactly. But then also get rich, but try to like build some experience with women, of course, right? You don't want to build yourself in all areas of your life except women, because then no matter how successful you are, if you have no experience with women, you can just like get robbed, basically. See, most of these guys, uh, I mean, they don't succeed in everything, but let's say they succeed in the business area where they get themselves rich, then they just choose the wrong girl and they fuck their life over. Because all it takes is for you to mess up with the girls, and you can be done. I don't buy foreign girls because when you bring one to your country, you have unlimited aura. We see you like a movie star. I mean, maybe, bro. Maybe. Vice's gym, because somehow they like fit people. I mean, everybody does, man. They will lying if they don't. Nick, what's up? What's up? It's nice to see some nice faces, and also like Dylan said, how you talk to women. Yeah, just don't be a pussy. Essentially, where you mentioned your past story, I think. Yeah. You still referring to the girls part? They can milk you, man. How's the women in Malawi, Aliko? I should put on the stream currently watching woman. That's what YM stands for. Now, but since there's nothing on the charts yet, we can just talk. You know, it's whatever. It's whatever you guys want to. Uh, yeah, shit's rough. What's the giveaway? I mean, the giveaway is right on the title, man. The giveaway was a 50k account, but somebody already won it, or more like it was rough. The situation with women, or are you trying to make a lady boy joke? Could you not enter on USD sell? Nah, still waiting, bro. Still waiting. It's nice to see some new people in here. What's up, Iman? What's up, Nick? Don't know if you guys are new or if you watch the streams occasionally, but just don't type. But yeah, no, the USD just done his first change of character, his first breaker structure. And if you zoom out on the hourly, you see some inducement, some structure right here. That's just close to this one. I see that you just saw this liquidity right here being swept, which is good, which is perfect. This was clearly a trap. But right now, once you see the first liquidity sweep, you have to wait for a second one, right? And the second one, it's most probably to not only swap the high from today, but also that high that I'm seeing, this black line right here. But it can go down from here, but it can also go up. And it's also no news Monday, so the market might just be dead. Like, the zones are decent, but yeah. Giveaway over. Yeah, man, I was about to give away the account once we got to 15 likes. Please make sure to leave a like still. But I also did a little game where I told people to guess the country which I'm going through, and somebody actually guessed it. So yeah, shout out Mohammed. Not quite different from the rest, but when you don't have your shit figured out, you're cooked. Yeah. What did you get with your face payout, man? Ah, man, just reinvested, really. Boring shit. I see. What is it? Where are you going? To live Malaysia for a bit. But in between that, I'm going a few days to Turkey. Should join the Discord to be updated. Yeah. I mean, join the Discord or just be subscribed to the channel and have the notification bell on. Even 3 sips sometimes, man. That shit. Sure. Nice. But yeah, people. I mean, if you like it, I'll do more, man. But if you literally go back, go on my channel to the lives, you're gonna see that the first live stream giveaway we did is like the video with the least amount of views. So I don't know, but these are really easy to win, as I'm not famous. When will you come to my home court, man? Oh, to Philippines? Oh, soon, man, soon. If I'm there. When's the best season for Philippines? Like the best weather where it's not like rainy season. It's like past February, right? Something like that. Middle of the year. If I go to the Philippines, the only thing really called me is like Siargao, maybe. I don't think Cebu City is in the Philippines, right? Cebu City, I heard, is a bit boring. And then Manila is the capital, right? How are you meant to know how many sweep you will do? Following the liquidity too. But if it does more, then you gotta map it out like with a session indicator. You see how many sweeps it does. You expect to do 2 sweeps, but following the session, right, as you map it out. Because if you have the liquidity being swept, boom, that's easy. You wait for a double. But then once we go past that same liquidity, let's imagine the liquidity was already swept right here. So then Asia swept it. So now, because Asia swept it, you wait for London to sweep it. Boom, London sweep it. But then as London doesn't do much, New York, you wait for New York to sweep it. Then New York sweeps it. And New York has to sweep London twice, let's say. It gets a bit complex, but just just map out the major liquidities. Just make sure you guys understand liquidity first. You map out the major liquidities first, and then try to anticipate for a double C following that. But getting the liquidities first is the most important step. But it's still will not get you that far, because SMC traders can also see it, and they're also unprofitable. What's up, True Turbulence? Nice to see new faces, man. Say what's up in the chat if you haven't, man. 17 likes, bro. Yo, you guys are amazing, bro. I love rain weather. I mean, not on the island, man. If you're in the city, that's okay, and to lock in. But on an island, nah, worst thing. The king is with girls. You don't want to be an incel. Yeah. When is it, Philippine? Some of them got mummy complex, but you didn't want to be in that. Think you do, but you don't. What you mean by mommy complex? You're not saying single moms, right? I don't know, it depends if some of you want to be stepfathers. When I was in Thailand, man, like, I still got my morals, I still got my principles, but man, this chick was so bad. Psh, almost turned down my values to be a stepdad. But nah, I'm just kidding. I just fall a little bit. Yeah, you can come here anytime, but just don't get AIDS. Just saying. I mean, not anytime, bruh. It can be fucked with the weather. Like, I'm not going to an island to have like a rainy season on me. The indicator that I have is my own, man. It's specially coded in the trading view. You have to literally put it in this bean editor stuff. So I only give the script to my students. Because yeah, it's a bit complex. It's like 20 indicators in one. It's a session you. Something like that. Basically think you are their baby. Oh, yeah. No way. Yeah, it's the other way around, man. If you don't got girl, man, you can have my mom. Hey, is your mom bad? Send me a picture of your mom right now. And her Instagram. Hey man, I'm about to be a stepdad. Send me her on Discord right now. I won't show the stream. Give me her socials as well. I'm going to the Philippines, boys. Oh my god. Just kidding, man. I have a dad, bro. Hey, your dad better not see this though. Nah, but appreciate you, man. You got people typing in the chat, man. Yeah, you're right. The commentary. It is a trading stream. But markets are boring, man. I was expecting some longs on YM, but you can see how this motherfucker is playing around. And for Forex is boring, man, but it's a patience game, right? This chat is getting funny. Yes, sir. Hey, you guys make sure to keep talking, man. You see, but we could be losing money right now. You could be losing money right now on the charts. Meanwhile, we're just talking about Temple's mom. Let's do the giveaway. The giveaway was already done, man. I'm so sorry, guys. We surpassed the 15 likes, but somebody has already won it. Where I was just gonna simulate it randomly to a lucky winner, but at the same time I did a little game where I told people to guess where I'm going to fly to next, and somebody actually guessed it, and I had never mentioned to like anyone else here on stream or even on my socials. Just my family and my friends know about it. And the lucky winner was Muhammad. So yeah. But hey, Muhammad, if I don't hear from you, then I'm gonna give it to somebody else. And we got 14 people watching. Make sure you leave a like, boys. Lucky Muhammad. Yes, sir. Where are you from, by the way? So where are you guys from, by the way? What sides of the world do we have here? I hit you on Discord. Uh, okay. I didn't see the notification come through. I'm not in. I'm not in it yet. But hey, make sure it's not my fake one. Oh, okay, okay. I see some direct message. Maybe it's you. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, this YM. Maybe we'll run on London close, or maybe it's just forget about it. Where? What you mean where? Maybe you're correcting me. Yeah, these Forex pairs always wanting. Like I said, like we were quite close, but as I said, Forex is usually slow. The trade might come in London close. So right now we're like 30 minutes away from London close, which I mean it makes it even better to be honest. Like we have to wait, but London close, it's my best session so far. So yeah. Okay, we got new people joining the Discord. That's good. Y'all make sure to stay active over there. Maybe you can connect and get some trading friends, which I think everybody should have. Yo, Jivenson, you late, man? How's the Jivenson was the person from the other stream to win the other 50k account. How is the account going? If you got funded, make sure you post the certificate on there. Okay. Yeah, it's been checking London close. It's kind of cool in backtesting. Nice. I'm gonna drop a video on the London close session soon. But hey, even then you guys can go to my channel. Go even like months and months ago, like 10 months ago, and you'll see like some valuable stuff that's still relevant to this day. Like everything could be used. I mean, 95% of the stuff can be used like till the next 20, 40 years, you know. US started looking good though. I mean, it's playing around here, bruh. It's playing around here. It's a good thing I'm not in this position yet, because if I would be on a stop order, maybe I think, yeah, I would be tagged in here, and I would be just playing around my drawdown. Kind of like the trade I lost last week was the same thing as this. But in this situation, I'm just waiting. Can't wait. Appreciate you, bro. Dropping the next. Gonna do live stream today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and then Saturday I'll drop a banger of a video. I'll drop a banger of a video, knowing you like letting y'all know the strategy I do, and my students too, to get more funded accounts. And this strategy will definitely get you funded even if you're unprofitable. Some of you already know what it is, but yeah. You're scared, but you're trading live accounts, right? Or you're trading under challenges? Man, you've been on a run. What you mean you're scared? You know you got 1 month to pass, right? And you already took a dub, man. Nah, but that's awesome. That's awesome. Can you put the trade on your screen? Can you not put? Yeah, I always make sure I also tell people that, but you can see how the trade is not thing to the thing, and I put these to like prepare myself, right, and also seeing what I'm seeing. I make sure to let people know that, but at the same time is to also guide me, and to not always be putting this. Great to hear. How was your weekend, guys? If you have a fun account and you didn't touch it, do you need to? Depends, bro. If you're talking Forex accounts, CFD, no. I mean, on Forex, there's no. Depends on the firm. I think there should be like some dusty ass firm that does that, but that does the futures model. But on CFD, most likely there's only one price, and it's the upfront fee of the challenge cost. In futures, there's usually a subscription fee on the challenge, but most people ignore it, right? Most people just pay the first fee and try to either get funded or blow the account in the first month. And then once you're in the funded stage, it depends. Some accounts, some firms don't have activation fee, some do. And the activation fee, at least on Apex, can be, you can choose to do it monthly or you can choose it to do a lifetime. I only do lifetime, right? I'm not expecting to blow a funded account like that. And even the difference between the cost of a lifetime and the cost of a monthly, it's like $30 between the two. So it's not even worth it. So no, depending on what you do, you most likely don't need to pay a monthly. I mean, never, right? Because if you do it like I said, like you try to pass the account in the same month you buy it, you don't need to pay for the subscription fee, and nobody does, right? If you don't, and you shouldn't be trading an account for that long, a challenge, at least on futures, because you'll get setups. Yes, I'm trading too many accounts with props, so yeah, I'll update you. Yeah, or you can just like kind of like full port, go aggressive on risk. If you have many accounts, then you can go heavier on risk. So like once you get to the giveaway account, just risk 1% or risk 2%, or 2% you can go and try to pass it in one go, or just I'm feeling energetic. Hey, watch that psychology video dropped. It was a good one. And a good refinement, or what you mean? But thank you for that. Thank you for that. I've been receiving some positive feedback on it. Yeah, I think it was dope because I brought something new that I didn't before, and yeah, my psychology has been getting great, and also my trading, which these two are correlated. And I've been talking to a lot of y'all that are like already profitable traders. You just don't know it yet because of the psychology. It's the psychology that's messing with you. Yeah, it was a good video. I appreciate you that for that GMS. Yeah, should leave a comment at least. Help your brother out. Man, if you have a funded account, I would seriously lock in that $150. It's kind of hard to get here in the field. I mean, but that depends on everyone, right? That's good in the Philippines, but even then, like maybe it's not enough in somebody else. But I would say once you have a okay, we finally breaking through. Let's see how the candle closes. But like I usually say, once you have a funded account, especially if it's your first one, and regardless of what the amount is, just try to lock in 1% or zero point 0.5. Really something, you know. But that depends on your account size and like where you're from as well. Cause hey, maybe. Cause then if you're from the Philippines, you're trading a 10k account, that 150 US, that's probably like you have to do maybe 2% to do it. I know the math of 2% is 200, but I'm considering the profit split and all that. Full part, no problem. I'll take consideration. I mean, you said you were scared, but at the same time, yeah. There's like a monthly salary on security guard here, no cap. Yeah, Philippines is crazy in some parts. Refinement. Man, what you mean about that word? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, today you're giving sauce. Appreciate you, brother. I mean, if you talk, I'll give you sauce anyways. What broker do you use? Uh, I usually use Profirms, bro. If you're talking like personal accounts, then I'll recommend IC Markets. But for Profirm accounts, you can have it all in the description. Give away the codes on the Profirms I recommend and use. But yeah, I'll just recommend the top ones, right? FTMO, Funding Pips, Fund the Next, uh, if you're talking futures, Apex, the the futures version of the good CFD ones, right? Funding Ticks, uh, possibly Fund the Next, but I'm not too aware of them yet. Probably the top step. It's also a top one in the industry. But yo, if you want to get some Apex accounts, some cheap Apex accounts, really, uh, link down below, or like use 80%. Use code Dylan for 80% off. Sorry about that English mistake there. Once the stream gets a bit long, my English starts to fail, man. That's like a salary of an engineer here. Nah, wait, stop. $150, really? An engineer, $150, damn. Nah, bro. So you telling me that like when you had like 5k accounts, right? So like you telling me that when you were 10k funded, you were basically walking around like a doctor, like an engineer. That's crazy. I mean, I'm doing a giveaway on Apex because they're kind enough to giving me the account. And then I don't know in other platforms how I would be able to pay for an account without getting inside of your account. Like I'm not uh, an expert in these things. Too bad I blew it. Yeah, man. I mean, that was maybe it. It was too much, you know. It was maybe too much and getting too much to your head. But you blew it fast, though. You could have tried to save it in a bit, or go like we're fine with risk. I don't know, man. But yeah, damn. All right, this YM can be tradable. Just London close coming in, it might deliver a trap, but still tradable. We got the candle closure above. Let me check the M15. Yeah, yeah, I can do so. Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, a few losses. Yeah, that's the thing with prop firms, man. The thing of being the balance on negative, it really messes up with your mind. Just seeing that PNL in a minus can affect us, of course. But I would say on the challenges or funded or anything, the point where it gets kind of like whatever if I blow it or not, I would say it's at my like -6, -7%, like where people tend to like not give a fuck about the account anymore. But that shouldn't be like first a few losses for you though. All right, I'm maybe gonna position a limit here, and man, GU is already too far. GU, I don't think it has the strength to do it, to do the sweep. EU, it's quite close, but it needs to wake the fuck up. Like these tiny ass candles, we're not gonna have a setup like that. That's what I was saying about decent zone, but no news Monday. Quite slow, so might not deliver a setup. My success rate with props was so good until then. Success rate, or like win rate. But yeah, you didn't blow many accounts. Like you always went to like, yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. Yeah, 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 yeah. I mean, bro, I would say that's amazing, bro. I would say that's amazing. Imagine that. Like you gotta pay the price either way. So right now it's paid, bro. Right now it's paid and it's only up from here. Just don't be one of them guys where right now that happened to you and you take that with you for the longest time and you always reverting back to it. Because there's a lot of people that like come to me saying like, yeah, I got a bunch of payouts, or I got a payout like last year, and since then something happened to me, and since then now I haven't been able to come back from it, you know. No, I'm not sure like how you're feeling, but like just stay strong, man. Just stay strong, and you've done amazing, bro. You've done amazing. Just imagine that bot 3, pass 2, and one of them was past phase 1, and that was their first account. I even remember it. I just gotta go to the toilet real quick, but this limit may play out, boys. It's why I'm though. Be careful about it. All right, give me just a sec. Gosh, we back. We back. All right. Wait, which prop are you using? Trading is crazy. You can be doing good and then just lose it. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. Um, You know what? Because of this reverse, we can really go super safe in here. Because like 3.5 until the liquidity, that's even more than I usually target. So I could even put like a stop order above this and refine it to right here. Right. And then 2 point something R, yeah. Just to really take a safe approach with this. Because it can also drop from here. Can also drop from here and then go higher or continue to go head lower. On M15 is still a candle closure, but yeah. I'll take like this. I'll get to the chat in a bit, but potentially gonna put in this trade on his funded account. That's also negative, right? Knowing everything. Let me think. Oh shit, but it's gonna be... Yeah. I gotta go to the micro though. Yo, 10 people watching, man. Make sure to leave your likes. We already gave away the account, but you can still get them pretty cheap on Apex if you use my code Dylan, 80% off. Really take advantage, guys, if you can. Boom, boom. Boom. This is a trade from the other day, man. We were floating profits and then we got hold. Boom. Let's see. Gonna put a stop order in case it goes higher. Right, guys. I'm really taking a conservative approach with this. If it was another pair, I would already be in, but because it's this motherfucking YM, it's a crazy one. Yeah, six contracts in this in case it does. Buy stop order. Yeah. Oh, okay. You see how it's not even like looking that nice anymore. But yeah, you can be doing well and everything goes to shit. That's trading, bro. Never assume because you're in the winning streak or something that like you'll never see losses, you know? Like you figured it out now. Because the market will always humble you. I'm gonna text you about that. Training. Nice. Get that wig, get that. Hey, you just made efficiency. Oh, okay. Damn, that was fast. And we're basically on linen clothes. Okay, why are you not taking it though? Anything that invalidates it? I would say it looks good though. Yeah, from what I'm seeing, it looks decent. Oh, the XY. That's true. Because yeah, might respect it, might not, but yeah. I mean, sometimes as you can see, the XY is more correlated to a pair than the others, but yeah, is more correlated to euro most of the times. But yeah, GU is kind of different to it, but still has the same liquidity as the others. And then yeah, but yeah, if I wasn't looking at the XY, this is tradable. Yeah, Dylan is with an eye though. I'm different, but yeah. What's up, Moyo? I don't know what you mean by market open, but YM and ES for the rest of the week. Ah man, just go up towards their major liquidities, which will be their all-time highs. Right, you see this? It's probably gonna go there. And if it doesn't, just take advantage of the longs. Right here, what I was expecting for ES, just come here if it comes to, and then go. Because it can even go like this, straight up, and not come to any significant area down below. But if it does drop, then even better for you, as you can take advantage of the longs. Possible scenario, but more unlikely, is that if we right now, because we swept this, we respect these all-time highs and we just drop fully until these equal lows, and then go up from there. But that's a bit unlikely. I think we'll just like sweep stuff down below to then go higher. But YM tends to be faster than these, so YM can definitely go towards them and then go. I was expecting YM to do the reversal right here, but it seems like it doesn't want to do it. So it's good that I took the safe route of not placing myself right away. Because yeah, it could still be tradable if it comes up, but if it doesn't, I'll just delete the order. But yeah, I'm currently looking at, just YM, really. I don't know. What about you guys? Blunt break? You mean on YM? Yeah, sure. The retest could be very good at the moment. Yeah. Anything, bro. I think it's gonna go higher. And if it goes against my idea, it's even better for me, because then I just have the opportunity to take the longs. All good, man. It's nice to see some new faces in here. I don't know if y'all subscribers, but y'all definitely typing for the first time. Some of y'all. But I appreciate that. Make sure you leave a like. Let's try to get to 20. I'm also doing live streams tomorrow and Wednesday, so make sure you tune in for that. No trades today so far, but we did give away a 50k account. I mean, yeah, we gave away. I just have to end the stream and then give it to the guy. But yeah. But yeah, EU and G boring so far. I don't know if we'll get a setup. Zone is decent, but slow volatility, which may not give us the move that we desire. So how is this looking? Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's probably like a no trade. Like, it probably just gonna hover around here for even Asia, and tomorrow it will do the setup, probably. Maybe, you know? Or it will do some fucked up shit like doing a sweep in Asia and then go. Let Asia steal the setup or something. But yeah, depending on this YM, I think it's gonna be a no trading day. I know some of y'all already took wins. That's super good, but did anyone lose today? Let's see if we got some honest people in here. Because it's also part of the game, right? It doesn't make you unprofitable if you lose. But yeah, you guys got wins on no news Monday. So that's awesome of y'all. And it's the start of the week. Oh yeah. You told me about it, the scalp, right? And then there was Alico or something that got wicked out on EU as well. But yeah, anyone trading any other pairs that I'm seeing, other than the ones I'm seeing, like gold, silver, oil? I see that crypto is doing some. That's a nice push, a nice 2K push in here. Breaking this structure. Let's see if it doesn't reverse from here. Yeah, it's respecting this. It's okay. I don't know. You're probably gonna test this out and maybe go down. Depends. I don't want to be bearish on crypto, but it depends. I think the Bitcoin highs may already be in. Maybe not. Maybe we'll run. But what I'm paying most attention is the Ethereum, because the Ethereum, it's really what's gonna determine the altcoin season. And so yeah, you see the red lines. See where the price reversed from. Right here, you can kind of count this as a equal low. Then we kind of had a bunch of sweeps, but if we zoom out, it's kind of like a double sweep on H4. And right now we're going. Let's see. This is definitely going to break this into somewhere right here. And now let's see if we do this or if we continue to run. Keep the loss minimal and let the winners run. I mean, yeah, you can do that strategy. At the same time, if you have it's better to have a positive win rate, positive risk reward, but also not to be too greedy about it. My style of trading is not the type of cutting shorts minimum and let winners run, like trade those stop loss, get those multiple risk rewards and all that. For me, it's just either -1, either a break even, or a +3. Just that. NQ today just hanging around. I mean, yeah, the thing is, NQ did the setup too fast, and in a zone where it was not that good for me to trade. Like, it only swept. Well, nah, it didn't. This didn't even sweep London. But then on open, we did swap London, but it isn't that good. Like, I was hoping for this to be at least hit and then take the longs. But yeah, we got the longs here. Even if I traded it, my stop loss would have been huge. The breaker structure was here, so yeah, I would be like 2R up only from this jump. But it has potential as the liquidity is just above here. So let's see. And yes, Chico, the giveaway has already ended. I was about to do it random simulated, but I asked the question and somebody responded correctly to the question. It wasn't something that could have been answered by AI as well. I can kind of see buy on GU would take it, but yeah, I can see it. Oh, yeah, that could happen. Internal one, risky, but yeah, I mean, the structure is going up, right? So you can have people just having their orders around here, and right now they got swept. They got a double. I mean, yeah. I can see it. I can see it, but it's a super internal one. And then on M15, are we testing out something? Maybe this efficiency or something with taking this inducement. So yeah, it can work. I'll put it here just to test it. I'm not taking it, guys. But this is just to see. Just a matter of testing, right? Always do your own uh, planning and analysis, right? Don't just take signals. Thinking about it, something different. I'll move my stop loss when I got tagged. I mean, do what gives you the best results, Mohammed, and what is best for your psychology as well. Because what can give you the best results might be going for 5 hour, 6 hour, 10 hour, right? But you maybe not be able to handle that much losing to get those 5, 10 hours, right? Because it's more difficult to obtain. But yeah, of course, follow the rules at any time and make sure you test things out before you switch to an all different management or trade management that you are discussing there. Make sure you test things out. Okay, wouldn't take it. Yeah, it is a risky one. Maybe if the market was still active and it was not London close, right? Maybe if it was like the start of New York. I've taken trades like this, like at the start of New York, but not like London close. In a certain sense, like you have London being bearish, New York being bearish, if you really want to get technical with it, and then London close can be bullish. But yeah, I don't think I'll take anything today. I'll see sells on AU and buys on GU. Yeah, but both are risky. AU less risky, but it's just a DXY thing, right? It's just a DXY thing. Here, I don't know if I could like refine it. Maybe here. At the same time, it becomes kind of big, right? 7.5 on AU. It's kind of on the limit for you, right? I mean, it can give the 3, but for the 5. Yo, Kavi, what's up? What's up? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Make sure you leave your likes. Let me know what you're seeing in the markets and if you took something today. I'm not in any trades. I haven't taken anything yet, and I probably won't. All of this is just paper trades, and this YM. It can still work. I'll just cancel it in case I forget. Because the market outlook is so shit that I might leave this fucking order open. Yeah, I'll take 3R for that size. Okay. Not really taking anything. That's good. Remember, not trading is also trading. I know I'll lose some dopamine addicts after saying that. But yeah, following. What are you following? Or are you following the stream or some and not taking anything today? Okay, just checking out other markets, but Nothing really interesting. Hey, there I was wondering, you in need of any editor? Nah, sorry man. Not on my live stream though. That's good. Hey, 19 likes. Appreciate y'all for that. Oh yeah. One more US sip. I would just avoid it, like whatever. I mean, in a sense, it can happen and it can still be valid, because what I say is that London close tends to do a trap. Okay, so like right here we had the liquidity sweep, and on futures you can have one sweep and then it can reverse from there. But the London close session tends to do what Forex does, which is a second sweep to it, which is just basically like a trap following that. I'll just say second sweep to to make it understandable and simple, right, for you guys to understand. Because like a trap on the higher time frame, meaning just a liquidity, but SMC traders can see it as well, and an SMT following that. I know some people will joke around about the second sweep, third sweep, but then they're unprofitable and they're laughing. Yeah, no problem. Deity. We got 19 likes, boys. One more till 20, bro. Come on, keep it up, keep it up. We gave away an account. We talked about someone's mom, right? Only thing that's missing is a good ass trade in this stream. But hey, not trading is also trading. I'm not just gonna risk capital for nothing. Bro, just blew my account today after passing both stages. I mean, if you just passed both stages recently and you've already blown it, yeah, that's something, bro. That's something, Especially if you blew it on the daily drawdown limit, Only beginners blow it like that. Right? What I would advise you to do is go look at my recent video on psychology. Lucky pass, perhaps. Yeah, sometimes it be like that, or just greediness. There's multiple factors, but yeah, lucky in the sense where you're like, you perhaps didn't deserve it. Because like, if you take your time to do something, to achieve something, then you will just not lose it in one go. To give you a good analogy, would be the people that got lucky on a crypto pump and just get millionaires, right? Super fast, without doing any work, without any real world skills, and then they lose it all. But it's also part of the journey. I rushed because I needed money for bread and my family is starving. Yeah, but you can't do it like that. Trading should only be a bonus before it becomes your main thing. Go watch the video, man. Go watch the video. Cause you're attaching trading to money, and I don't know if you know, but if you guys know, but when you trade to try and make money, you're not gonna perform well. So right now, YM did this sweep. Maybe you can have a trade right here on the block above, or something like this. I'm not trading it, but yeah. Now the family is starving even more. Yeah, exactly. But the thing is, like, boys, if you need the bread, then like trading shouldn't be your first option. Like if I was 18, 20 today, and like let's say I started in on this entrepreneur journey or side hustle or whatever you want to call it, it wouldn't be trading. It wouldn't be trading. With what I know today of side business out there, it wouldn't be trading. But yeah, if you guys need psychology lessons, go watch my new video, a 1 hour course on psychology. It's a good shit over there. But yeah, whenever you guys are trying to rushing the process, forcing your way into money, the money doesn't like that, especially in trading. Like you can force it, whatever however you'd like, but it doesn't work like that in trading. In other businesses, of course, you can work. You can put in the work, but it doesn't mean the results will be reflected in trading. I don't think the term locking in applies to trading because there's not much to do. Depends on which part you're on, bro. Depends on which stage you're on. Because you're already in a good stage, right? You've put in your work. Of course, backtesting. But it depends on what stage you are. Because if you're in the beginning stages, man, there's a bunch of things that you can do. Like, look, exactly, backtesting is one of them. Especially if you're in the beginning stages, if you're not yet profitable, if you still haven't mastered your craft, then you should be backtesting like at least 30 minutes every single day or an hour. I know that's hard, but you either want it or you don't want it. Because like when I was in Europe, I mean I'm still in Europe, but when I was unprofitable and living in Europe, I couldn't trade because I had a 9 to 5 or I had school, and so I would come back from work or school, and I would do like 4 hours of work, of trading work, real work per se, because the other stuff was just bullshit. And in during those 4 hours, the market was dead. The live market was dead. I wasn't trading live markets. I was consuming videos. I was backtesting. Right. I was trying to master my edge every single day. So there's a bunch of things that you can do if you're not at the stage where you've mastered everything, right? But you can still try to work on other aspects to it, like perhaps psychology. Just consume some videos, continue to do backtests, like master the edge even more. You can of course, yeah, it depends how bad you really want this. Of course. Man, 21 likes. I appreciate y'all for that. Because really, the only thing that made me sane in my head and not depressed about life is because I knew there was something that could have been achieved, like trading, if I put my mind to it, right? Otherwise, if my life was only that, like minimum paying jobs or like accountancy and working with these shit ass coworkers, if my life was just that, I would be depressed, man. I would rather kill myself, honestly, at some point. Man, 22 likes. I appreciate y'all for that. Do you think we achieved it already with only one funded account with Shin a loss? I don't have only one funded account, bruh. this is only the first account I ever got on futures, and I started futures like 3 months ago. I have another funded account on Apex alone, and it's fresh, but I have others, bro. Backtest saved your life. It saved my life as well. But at the same time, it wasn't the only thing, because I explained in my recent psychology video on how I was a beast in backtesting. But then I had to deal with psychology, and it was deeper than that. Ay, ay, ay. But yeah, I have this on, but I'll probably not trade it. This looks like a clean trap on NQ. We can easily take this and then, I mean, but it's gonna be London close. That's the only thing. It depends if London close wants to move or not. Oh, this would have been the GU trade. I mean, the candle was strong here, so may have like. Bro, I don't know. I don't know if you hating or like you asking a valid question. And I've seen you around the channel, but I guess you just don't watch it enough. But I'm just meaning in Apex alone. Like I have other things. And no, I don't think I've achieved a lot. Like there's way more potential in my journey. Like I'm just starting. Okay. That's fine, but no, I don't think, like, y'all see me and I talk to y'all like, I'm not that special, right? You see guys online, they're maybe at level 100, right? Maybe, because some of the stuff that goes around, but like, I'll say I'm a couple steps ahead of you guys. Some of you guys, right? I don't know. Sometimes you got killers in the chat. Some of you might be way better than me, right? And that's not impossible, but if we compare me with your current experience, then I mean I don't know who is in this live, but 80% of y'all are better than me with the experience that you currently have. Like your experience with versus me with the same experience that you have. I don't know if you guys are getting my point, but let's imagine if you have 1 year experience, you're probably way better than me with 1 year experience. Bro, I appreciate you for that, Mohammed. Appreciate you for that. If we are better than you with experience, why do you go for? I mean, I don't know if I know if you got my point or like, I'm not. I'm saying with my old self is what I mean. I think the coaching part is exactly why you guys are better than me. It's to cut off years out of your journey, essentially. Instead of taking you 5 years, or like 3, 4, 5, you know, it's just 5. It's my actual experience. It could take you way less. That's what my coaching is for. I think I need that psychology video. Backtesting always yield me a positive PNL, but on the market, exactly, bro. Exactly. Like I just said, when I was backtesting, I was a monster in backtesting. But then when it comes to the live markets, the PNL wasn't being reflected. Hey, appreciate you for that, Suraj. Yeah, Wick is a G. Wick is a G. It took years to learn, but you teaching us faster. Yeah, appreciate you for that, Mohammed. We'll go back to AI. Hey, don't hate on him. If he's honestly curious and not hating, then let him be. I've seen him comment on a few of my stuff. Like, it's not recent. It's not his first video that he sees from me. I just hope you're not just consuming the shorts though. Hey, appreciate that, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all so much for backing me up, man. I really appreciate. Hey, whatever you guys want to learn on trading, just drop it in, man. I mean, I think if I'm not wrong, I've seen you before commenting on my channel, Movie Studio AI. But I don't know if it was just shorts. And if you just follow me for the shorts or something, then I would I wouldn't pay much to it, right? If you subscribe to my channel, at least watch the long format, right? The shorts are just for dopamine or whatnot. Like, I tend to put bits of my videos, but like no one's in the shorts or like TikToks, reels, whatever you want to call it, to actually learn. So yeah, if you really, I don't think I have to say this, but if you want to be a profitable trader, if you want to learn, watch long format. Not necessarily just for me, but to anyone else. Nothing wrong with critical questions, right? I mean, yeah, nothing wrong. There's no bad questions in here, but like, make sure you guys understand what I mean as well. And if you don't, just ask. To understand the psychology and reason behind the trade, watching live is beneficial. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about mine and how you can reflect that into your trading? Yeah. That's super good. That's super good. I'm not in this, by the way. You guys see, this is something that we put on paper before in the stream, during the stream still. But yeah, we're just watching. This is who I am. We're most likely not gonna trade anything today. But yes, Suraj, if you're a new sub, I don't know if you subbed from this live or from another video, but yeah, I've just dropped a video on psychology like Saturday, so go give it a watch. It's good stuff. It's my most important psychology video I've ever dropped. I've dropped a few, but this is like a course. Let's say it's like an hour long. And then if you guys want the psychology as well, but also the strategy, then there's another video on my channel which is 2.5 hours long, which covers my strategy and the psychology. I'll look on it. Yeah, thank you. Do that after the stream if you can. But yeah, anyone in any trades right now? Because the markets are a bit boring. Will this do it? Nah. Shorts on AUD. If it gives it an OCP, could have this, but it's a DXY, man. DXY is far to it. There's not much. From what I'm seeing, it's only risky stuff. I watched it yesterday, but rewatching it again today because it was really good. Open like my. Oh, that's awesome to hear, man. That's awesome to hear. Appreciate you. Yeah, because like one thing I said in the video, I think a few times, and I wanted to really like sit down, like click in your head. I mean, I'm gonna repeat myself, but like A key thing that I really want to mention is like this stuff needs to click in your head, because most of the times, I mean, most of the stuff we already know what we should be doing to better our trading. We already know the answers, but most of the times it just doesn't click within us, or it isn't enough for us. Sometimes all we need is somebody else to phrase it a different way for us to finally understand it, is what I'm trying to say. Because like it sounds simple, but like it needs to click within you guys. It's what I'm saying. Gold going in hell, brother. All-time highs to all-time highs. Yeah, that's gold. That's gold. But if it doesn't pull back, I mean, for my strategy, if it doesn't pull back, then there's not many opportunities to catch the longs. Like all this movement up, I don't see many opportunities for my strategy, for example. But yeah, I had a student that caught this short, but then this short, I mean, but you can't really catch a move in this FOMC as it moves super fast. Then maybe this long. This was the best long yet, because it swept London and then goes up. But no pullbacks from here. I mean, unless maybe this one. If you take this, I don't know. Yeah, but I don't trade gold though. Took a gold sell. Oh, you took a gold sell. Okay, right now? You may be in drawdown, right? But look, I can tell you the only thing I don't like is that we're all-time highs, no previous history and all that, and we can continue to go higher in gold. But we had one sweep, kind of like the breaker structure down below. So right now this is a trap, and it also made equal highs with it. Right now it gets swept, and it's London close, so it tends to deliver a retracement of the day. And London was kind of, I mean, bearish or bullish. This is kind of neutral, because it started right here, it ended right here, but yeah. Then New York is definitely bullish, so right now we can have a retracement. It can happen, but it's no like safe position, right? I wish you the best on it. Gotta go, fam. See you in the next stream. All right, Aliko, have a safe one. Have a safe one. Thank you for hopping in. Gold crazy, it is, man. It is. I mean, but you trade YM though. You can't really. I mean, you can call it crazy, but it's the same as your pair. Oh shit. You back to blues, Suraj? Or no? Who took it? No, Moyo. Sorry. Don't sell gold on all-time highs. Yeah, it's also good advice. Q4 is gonna open in a few days too. Okay, no pullback, no entry. Okay, we'll look for buys. I mean, nah, bro, don't do that. Like, they tell you to not look for sells. You look for, I mean, look for buys, but not necessarily in this area. Not in the moment, right? I mean, depends on what you're trading. But if you're trading anything like me, just wait for a deeper pullback, a significant one, not some fucking M1 shit as it's going right now. But yeah, anyone else trading something today? If you're not, that's also fine. Not trading is also trading. I'm just not seeing much today. This GDU would have been break even right now. Look for buy after retracements. Yeah, market looks dead for now. Yeah, it is a no news Monday, guys, so it is normal for market being slow like this. It is unfortunate, but it is one of them where I was seeing the New York starting and like we're in decent zones, but because of the super slow moves, we didn't actually get to have a setup. I showed a GU on a $10 account. Oh, did you short it in the middle of New York? Around these highs? And you're in profit now? Yeah, look, this is YM. Better to stay out of. YM is good if you can predict where the market where the market is going to open. Like, fuck, where the price is gonna go in the market open is what I mean. 1344. I mean, the thing is 1344. It's all of this shit, but yeah, if you manage to catch it right here, yeah, it's a decent zone. So yeah, hopefully you get it, man. There's space to go down, at least maybe Asia lows. The thing is that there's a high liquidity just above that we're looking to. I mean, we were looking for it to get tagged, to get swept, and then trade the shorts. This what I'm having here is a paper trade. I didn't actually trade it. Profit of 5 USD. Okay, if you can manage to get it, then you make 50% of your account. That's amazing, right? It's just that the dollar, the monetary result, it isn't sexy, but performance-wise it is. We got 23 likes. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, somebody won a 50k account, but if you want Apex accounts, there's still a 80% discount going on, and if you use my code Dylan, you'd be good. Which do you prefer, CFD or future? I have tried CFD. I need to futures. What are you focusing on right now? And yeah, it's a balance of both worlds. There's pros and cons in both. But from what I'm seeing, I think I'm preferring futures. The only thing I don't like about futures is the trailing drawdown. Of course, there's like different fees, different ways of managing it. But like, look, one of my strategies is get as many funded accounts, as many challenges to increase the chance of being passed. All right, not as many, but like just not trading one account at a time. And I think futures firm can be cheaper and so easier to get funded, and you can get multiple and still be able to trade Forex. Because what a lot of people don't know is that you have CFD firms, CFD brokers replicating the, for example, euro-dollar futures pair. Because, okay, or even GU as we're seeing. We're seeing this GU right here. There's actually a futures pair of GU, which you can trade it, and this is just a replica of it. You go to 6B, and you get the futures chart of GU. Meaning, you can buy futures accounts, like Apex, for example, and trade these. So you can trade beyond the futures firm while still trading Forex. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, and stop buying CFD firms, just because a price of one CFD firm, a price of one CFD account can get you 4 or 5 futures ones. And then I'm doing the same in both. I'm just like not full porting, but risking a decent amount of size in a trade to pass it in one go. Watch our one if you didn't close yet. Equity Edge. I don't know if I know the firm. I've heard of the name, but I don't know. So I can't give you much on it. I'll just stay out of most firms. I would just focus on the top ones, and even the top ones, the prices are quite the same as the other ones. So I wouldn't understand going to these unknown firms. So I'll just stay CFD ones, like FTMO, funding pips, funded next. That's all you need most likely. If you need any codes, check my description. I trade gold BTC. All right. Anything you think today? Or were you the one that No, you weren't on shorts on gold. But yeah, BTC is moving. So if you catch the longs, then that's good. USD still look good. I don't know, man. It just keeps dropping. Can still look good if you take a super aggressive approach to it. I mean, if this was one of my tradable pairs like EU GU, I'll take this. I'll take this maybe after the sweep. You know, like some stop order right here. Since this week closed below this one, I think if it's not the equal low, I would have to check. It looks kind of like equal low, but it is a crazy pair. So yeah, man, depends. London was bullish, New York was bearish. London close can most likely be bullish. Retracement of New York. I'll drop a video on the London close soon, guys, for y'all. I think it's well, at least for me, it's the best tradable session for Forex, at least. But it's really good. If you trade Forex, then look into it, or wait for me to drop the video on it. I mean, I already got videos on my channel, but yeah. I'm holding it. Fast goes back. I don't know. You have your stop loss to break even. That's good. I still respecting the longs I put here. Yeah, if you have a target, I mean, you said you have $5 off target, no? So like, I would put the target right here, like Asia or something. Depends, or just have a fixed risk reward, bro. Just go for a 3 or a 5. Not much. Yeah, even Mohammed is saying he goes on a fixed risk reward unless there is a major liquidity. Now week. I think he was asking Soham. Cause I think you guys know I go for a fixed risk reward, but yeah, no worries. Nah, I mostly go for fixed risk reward either way, unless I have to cut it, refine the trade, make the stop loss smaller, or just sacrifice a little bit of risk reward just because the liquidity is going to get target with 2R or 2.5. Depends on a lot of things, right? It depends on the structure. Risk management, nice. I mean, they're asking you, man. Or just the type of trader that will let it run and just trail the stop loss. Damn, another like. Thank you guys. But yeah, even though the monetary value is not sexy, like don't adopt those bad habits, right? Because you come to the prop firm accounts, you don't need a 10-hour trade, you don't need a 20-hour trade. Just keep it small and profitable. Right, 2% a month consistently is good. It's awesome. Like the best traders in the world do that, 2 to 3% a month consistently. If you can manage to do that, then you're amongst the greatest. But yeah, guys, you guys are awesome for being in here, even though the markets aren't looking that great. Or I don't know if some of y'all are still waiting on the giveaway. But yeah, what are you guys seeing though? If you're still seeing anything. Some people shorting GU, some people shorting gold. Gold looks bad. Too short again. This YM, are you still waiting for it though, GMS? And the $1 same thing. GU like this. Yeah, it's It's all gonna be set for tomorrow. Think tomorrow there'll be some nice setups probably. At least some of the zones that I'm seeing, they will be targeted. Yeah, and GMS, you already got the major win on YM, so you all good, man. Go enjoy your day. So yeah, have a blessed one, and see you next time, man. Thank you for watching. But yeah, boys, 24 likes. Can we get to 25, man? You boys are crazy today. I appreciate y'all for that. Okay, Wick. Have a nice one. Have a nice one. Yeah, tomorrow hopefully we'll get more some setups on EUGU. Probably. Keep an eye on these two liquidities that I've mentioned right here, and maybe we'll get it right. And boys, one thing. NFP week can be crazy market. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. So tomorrow can be a tradable day. Then Wednesday gets a bit iffy, and then from there becomes more risky. Okay, awesome. Because I think we also have some other news. I think tomorrow we have Jolts, if I'm not mistaken. And Jolts is also a bit of a 50-50 one. Sometimes it's dead, sometimes it's huge. So yeah, be aware of that. And I'm gonna keep dropping more long formats on my channel. I mean, really good ones. But what do you guys want to see? You guys want to see educational stuff, right? Like strategy stuff. Or like videos that will really get you to profitability. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna run it back on the sauce. Cause there's a lot of bunch of things in my YouTube though. You guys just gotta go search for it. But I'll drop. Not gonna say I will say the same thing. Obviously, there's new things, and the information will be better packaged. Although some of it will be recycled, but yeah. Reduce our mistakes, yeah, for sure. Yeah, educational is always to always improve. Okay. I'll do that. I will keep the frequency, the upload frequency a bit. I mean, it's gonna be lower than it used to, because I was uploading a video every 2 days. That would be like 3 a week. Right now, I'm maybe gonna start to do 2 a week once I stop the live streams. But maybe I'll still do a live stream one day of the week. Maybe. What you boys think of that? Maybe I'll continue the lives, but of course not every single trading day. Because then it would be like I'm back to the 9 to 5. Want to see some vlogs of it? Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm about to say as well. Because like, if you guys want to also daily day in the lives, because those get views, well, sometimes, but they don't really make a difference. I built the foundation on my channel of just like educational video, strategy, boring, just screen record, and maybe like some Scarface on the thumbnail or something. Any live, anytime. Okay, appreciate you for that. If you guys tune in, then I'll definitely do them. There's no problem about that. Like today. You guys are being crazy. Video niche. Yeah, but I've got a better set of videos right now coming. Right now I'm working on videos that are more edited. So like the value is great, but it's packaged on a way like the guys at the top, kind of like edited, kind of to keep the dopamine addicts like on the video, but there's still value on it, and they're like easier to watch, more appealing to the eyes, I guess. Those videos are hit and always motivate us to reach the level you. Oh, thank you. Although I don't feel like the lifestyle is so crazy, right? There's no, the level is not at the Lambos soon, at the Lambos yet, and the yachts and all that. And most of the times it's a bit boring, but it's real. It's the most important part. Flexing those videos for the haters. I thought I was gonna say hoes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nah, it's more like flexing for motivation. Just that. Yeah. I mean, even if I could afford a Lambo right now, I wouldn't get it. Simply because I'm on that type of what you call it, like digital nomad type of lifestyle. Like I'm not fixed anywhere. Although that's best to lock in. Like I'll lock in, but a couple months in every place. So I'm just moving around. I'm just exploring the world. Just escaping the bad weather as well. But yeah, you guys want the educational stuff, but any specific stuff you guys want to see? Any like specific confluence you want me to touch on in a video, or how to trade a certain session, or a platform strategy? Anything, guys, anything. How to trade news. It's fun to have freedom. No need to crazy spend money. Yeah. I mean, you can spend the money like crazy, but what I mean is like the Lambo is something that's supposed to be fixed, and something that um, may get you stuck in one place. Not stuck, but you get what I mean. You can't just take your Lambo with you everywhere. Entry points kind of get me stressed. If you could give a look into it, okay. Because my entry is pretty simple, in a sense where it's just a breaker structure. Sometimes I may refine it to wicks. Imagine disregarding this liquidity. If you can just disregard it for the example, I could maybe position myself here on the wicks, right here. Just because I know this will most likely get uh, tagged, this order block, right, this structure right here. So in a sense, I'm already saving myself some risk rewards on profit, instead of taking the actual trade on the conservative breaker structure, which would be this one, right? But there's different ways to enter, even with my strategy. There's multiple things that you could touch on, but I'll look into it then. I'll look into it, like an entry model type of video. Anything else you guys want to see on specifically like educational videos? And if we can just get like one more person to drop a like, man, that would put us at 25. Would really appreciate that. And yeah, take advantage to ask any question or any type of videos you like to see from my channel. I will not just give you the basic. I will like tell you how it is. Give you the full sauce on it. Yeah, we got entries. Yeah, just let me know what type of videos you'd like to see, educational ones. And if you want to also see the lifestyle, the day in the lives one. But I think the educational ones are more impactful to y'all. Even though the day in the lives, I still try to cover some trades, I think, in them, and drop the breakdown on them into the vlog. Yes, sir. Thank you. Because my entry is like late sometimes. I don't know why. Like I get worried. It's more. It's maybe more psychological, bro. It's maybe trust issues or whatnot. So maybe you're facing the same thing that I was explaining in my psychology video, which were the fear of the fear of trading or unconfidence about it. So there's a video of yesterday, but there's also plenty of videos in my channel, like on the trading talks playlist, which is more like just psychology. There's a bunch of videos me talking about the issue and how I fixed it. But yeah, maybe it's not. I thought what you mean was like the technical side of the entry, but maybe it's just psychological. Is you seeing this chart but not taking action when you should. How you manage to perfect your entries? Uh, I mean, my entries are pretty simple. The motto of entry is just like put a stop order on the breaker structure. So I don't know, man. Maybe it's just psychological, but I can do a video on the entries if you guys want. But it's just like on the different types of entries that you can trade. At least from my view. Backtesting here, maybe a trade you took and a breakdown if possible. Oh, you want to see backtesting videos? Okay. Yeah. I've done a couple videos on the live performance and a breakdown of them. Like, hey guys, I took this video today. Let's break it down. Those didn't do as good as I thought they would. But on the day in the lives, vlogs type of videos, if I take a video during the day which I'm filming, I'll do a breakdown on it. But yeah, if I have a good trade, then I'll do that type of breakdown with the backtesting tool, because I think those are the best. Because it's me backtesting the actual trade that I took, but it's on the more educational side, of course. It's not me using the backtesting tool to predict the future, which I already know what's going to happen. It's to give educational stuff on that side. Yo, 27. Okay. Thank you, Suraj. Thank you. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. That's true. It's more scary if I trust a little bit more. I'll be a goat. But don't forget us when you get famous. Of course, man. Of course. Nah, my memory is good, man. My memory is good. But I appreciate y'all for supporting me, man. For keeping this channel alive, really. But yeah, man, I still remember of people that were on the start of the Discord channel, because the Discord channel is actually older than my YouTube channel that you're seeing right now. So yeah, I still remember for people from back in the day for like more than 1 year now. Then we started. Somebody took their like off, but that's okay. Still got 26 legends in here. Yeah, boring market. Thank you for making us more and more profitable every day. I appreciate that, man. That's the ultimate goal, man. Is to change life. It's to really make a change in the world. Yeah, boring market, but yeah, not trading is also trading, right? So good thing we didn't lose money in these conditions. every paper trade like this I have, it's just paper, right? It's not. I'm not taking anything today. These are just me to see what happens really. But yeah, guys, anything else you want to touch on? Yeah, typical of no news Mondays. Exactly. Yeah, no trade is also a profitable trade. Yeah. I get what you're saying, but it was badly phrased. Like in the past, like imbalances are like magnets. They are the real support resistance, right? But the inverse fair value gap is like a even more powerful one. So yeah, consider them, but not like crazy. I just spot them and like, yo, that's an inverse fair value. But nah, it's not some that I consider, to be honest. I'm almost profitable. Okay. That's why you took a scalp, maybe, right? And lost. You forced it because you knew today was your best day. Maybe. I'm assuming. I'm assuming from experience. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. I'm a trader. I'm a trader. I'm saying that because most of the guys don't even know what we go through. But yeah, boys, I think yeah, exactly, Mohammed. I think that could be it for the live. I haven't taken anything today. Uh, I'll make sure to jump out of this and give you the account, Mohammed. Congratulations on winning it again. And if you guys had anything else you want to touch on, real quick, make sure to drop it in the chat. We got a ton of messages sent today. I appreciate you all for that, and I read every single one of them. Okay, no worries. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a like if you still haven't. Let me know if you appreciated the stream. Most importantly, and come back tomorrow. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit. Yup. Happy days. Happy days, Luke. Thank you for tuning in. So yeah, appreciate you boys for tuning in. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for being a part of the stream, most importantly. Alright, boys. See y'all.